Hi, this is the extra credit assignment for CS5200. The purpose of this assignment is to have a generic database that can use Express.js and Node.js to dynamically create tables, update, delete, and fetch records from the table. So let's just start by doing the queries. The application is deployed on Heroku in the following URL that's mentioned in the README file of the GitHub repository. So let's just start with the queries. So first is the get query of getting all the actors, but since this is the first request, it should return null because actor table doesn't exist. So let me just do the get request, and we see that it returns null. Uh, and then we want to post an actor with name Harrison. So I'll do a post with body, and that's JSON body and name Harrison. And if I send this request, we see that Harrison is created for this request. The other is we want to have another actor with name Joe. So let me just create an actor with name Joe, and we have that. And then we want to create an actor with the first name as Ryan and last name as Ghoslin. So the first name as Ryan, and the last name as Ghoslin. Now we see that the JSON contains first name, last name, and the name, which is null since we haven't provided in this. And then we're gonna fetch all the actors. So I'm doing the get request to fetch all the actors. So last time it returned null, but this time it came out with all the information that has been updated in the actor collection. Now we're gonna try to update the movie collection, but it should fail because the movie collection hasn't been created yet. So let's do a put on movie, and let's say I want to update a movie with some ID. This should give me a null output. Yep. And then it was as expected. And then I'll try to update a movie, an actor with a record that doesn't exist. So let me just say an actor and provide a wrong uh, ID, so it returns null as expected. And then I'm going to actually update the name Joe to Joseph the for the record we created. So I'm going to do a put. Let me just first get the record and see the Joseph one and copy his ID. So here's the Joseph's ID. I do a put request on this, and I'm trying to update the name from Joe to Joseph, and this request should be successful, and we see that the name is updated to Joseph. And then we're gonna try to add another field to the Joseph record and see if we are successful in doing that. No, is Joe, I guess. Jose. And yep, we were able to add that record in the same JSON, same document. Then we're gonna try to delete some movies. So if I try to delete a movie that is not existing, API actor, yep, it should give me a null value because that doesn't exist. And if I try to delete a movie, it should give me null as well because this table doesn't exist as of now. So let's try to delete an actor Joseph, and we have the ID of Joseph as this, and let me try to do a delete and this actor with this ID, and it should say that okay, it was able to delete the record. And now if we try to get all the actor, we just have the two left. Now let's try to create movies, and if I do a movie with a post and the body is um, title is Blade Runner and title is La La Land. So title Blade Runner and try to create the movie. So yep, we were able to create, and let's create another movie, La La Land. And yep, we were able to create La La Land movie as well. And if we try to get all the movies, we see that we have the two movies here. So let's try to do the two table test, and for that we can create a mapping of actor movie. So we're gonna link the first actor to the first movie, and I have this copied here. So let's do a post, and let's say that the first actor is linked to the first movie. And if I do a send, I see that the actor movies have been linked. And let's link the second actor to the first movie as well. So the second actor is this guy, and let's link it to the same movie, and we have that. And then let's link the second actor to the second movie. So we have the second actor copied, and let's link that actor to the second movie. Yep, so we have that. And then let's get all the movie of the second actor, and it should return Blade Runner and La La Land. So let's get all the actors of all the movies of the second actor. So this guy is the second actor. I'm gonna fetch all the actor this, and let's fetch all his movie. So we can see that the Blade Runner and the La La Land movie is linked to this actor. And then let's just fetch the actors of the first movie. This is the first movie, and let's fetch all its actors. Movie, this movie, actor. And we see that Ryan Gosling and Harrison are the actors of this movie, which was the expected output. And let's just try to delete the record of the first movie of the first actor. So the first movie and the first actor. So movies F2EE. Yep. And let's just try to delete this record, and we see that yeah, we are able to find one record and delete it. So let's try to remove an actor and all its movies. So if I do delete, and this is the actor I want to remove and it's all its movies, so I should have like two records deleted. Yep, so that's the assignment, and thank you very much. Have a great holiday.